So I just came across this new model called Dolphin that's all about parsing document images. It's pretty mind-blowing.
Wait, dolphin, like the animal, what does it have to do with document parsing?
Not quite, it stands for document image parsing via heterogeneous anchor prompting. It's this sophisticated model that analyzes documents.
Oh, got it. So what exactly sets dolphin apart from other models? Is it just the name?
Well, it uses an analyze then parse approach, which means it first assesses the layout before breaking things down. That's pretty innovative.
Interesting. I guess traditional models might try to parse without that step. Does it make a big difference?
Absolutely, the two-stage process ensures a more accurate understanding. It generates elements in the natural reading order.
That's really clever. So it's like organizing a messy drawer before you start sorting the items.
Exactly, and then it uses parallel parsing, meaning it tackles multiple elements at once. Super efficient.
Parallel parsing sounds powerful. But what happens if the document layout is super complex?
Good point, the model has been designed to handle intertwined elements like text, tables, and figures. It's meant to adapt.
But isn't that a challenge? I mean, how do you ensure accuracy with such complexity?
It's a balance, right? The developers claim it achieves good performance across different parsing tasks, so it seems promising.
I'm curious about that claim, though. What evidence do they have to back it up?
They've released a dataset called the Foxpage Benchmark, which is aimed at testing these capabilities.
Okay, that's a step in the right direction. But can we trust benchmarks? Aren't they often tailored to make models look good?
You're spot on, benchmarks can be biased, so we should keep a critical eye on those results.
And what about real-world applications? How does Dolphin perform outside of tests?
Great question. They've set up a demo where you can actually see it in action. That could give us more insight.
Nice, it's like a trial run for the technology. But I wonder how user-friendly it is.
They've integrated it with Hugging Face Transformers, which is a popular framework, so it should be pretty accessible.
That's reassuring. But does that mean it compromises on performance for usability?
Not necessarily. The balance between efficiency and ease of use seems to be a selling point.
Interesting, but I wonder what the limitations might be. No tech is perfect.
For sure, the creators are actually calling for feedback on bad cases, which shows they want to improve continuously.
That's a refreshing approach. I appreciate companies that seek constructive criticism.
Yeah, it's about growth, plus with open source collaborations, it might evolve faster.
Speaking of collaborations, what inspired this model? Any notable influences?
They mention projects like Donut and Nougat as inspirations, which are also document processing models.
Oh, I've heard of them. But is being inspired by others a strength or a weakness?
It can be both. Inspiration can lead to innovation, but it also risks redundancy if not approached uniquely.
That's a fair point. I guess it all depends on how they implement those ideas.
Exactly, and the promise of parallel processing could set them apart significantly.
And if it succeeds, it might revolutionize how we handle document images. That's exciting.
Totally, but it also raises questions about the future of document management.
Right? If models like Dolphin improve, what does that mean for traditional methods?
It could render many existing processes obsolete, but adaptation is key, right?
True, maybe this is just the beginning of a new wave in document processing.
And it's fascinating to think about where we'll go from here, but still there are risks to consider.
Absolutely. The balance between automation and human oversight will be crucial.
So Dolphin is promising, but we need to keep questioning and scrutinizing its impact.
For sure, it's all about maintaining that curiosity and staying engaged with the tech.
Exactly, and who knows, maybe we'll see even more groundbreaking approaches in the future.
I can't wait to see where this goes. It's an exciting time for AI and document processing.
Definitely, and hopefully, Dolphin leads the charge towards more efficient ways of handling documents.
That would be fantastic. I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on its developments.
Same here, let's keep questioning and exploring this fascinating landscape together.